Art supplies vocabulary. Watercolors. Tempera paints. Paintbrush. Paint palette. Acrylic paints. Crayons. Sketchbook. Drawing paper. Liquid glue. Markers. Color pencils. Construction paper. Glitter. Glitter glue. Beads. Yarn. Masking tape. Washi tape. Ribbon. Foam sheets. String. Felt sheets. Pipe cleaners. Craft sticks. Play-Doh. Modeling clay. Clay tools. Stamps. Ink pad. Stickers. Buttons. Origami paper. Googly eyes. Pom-poms. Craft board. Canvas. Flashcards. Protractor. Compass. Easel. Whiteboard markers. Chalkboard. Word cards. Sight word cards. Puzzle pieces. Educational games. Storybooks. Activity book. Telescope. Stopwatch. Reading pointer. Magnifying glass. Microscope. Binoculars. Science kit. Test tubes. Beaker. Safety goggles. Robot kit. Coding blocks. Gear set. Balance scale. Lego bricks. Circuit board toy. Magnetic tiles. Solar model. Volcano kit. Puppet theater. Dress-up clothes. Crown. Masks. Magic wand. Glue stick. Scissors. Glue gun. Tape. Notebook. Workbook. Highlighter. Pen. Pencil. Eraser. Sharpener. Ruler. Calculator. Whiteboard. Chalk. Timer. Building blocks. Thermometer. Puppet.